my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
Here is a quick unpacking from Flipkart. The upcoming 10 minutes you will get the idea of this product. Finally, the Nothing Ear One come to review. Here is the box overview. As you can see here, the model number, some information about this product and the company itself. Here we have to open it, and at the back some specifications you can see here, or I will show in this video. Okay, so without wasting so much time, let's get unbox it. The unique unboxing I ever had till now. Wow, such amazing. I like it. The box inside the box, the silvery box inside it. Wow. The silver box is just unboxing a sweet box, dessert box, something like that. Wow. Let's see the main hero of our this video. This is our main hero, the Nothing Ear One TWS. For a while, let's keep it aside. The hero of our video, Nothing Ear One. Now let's check the box content. Here is some warranty card and user manual. As you can see here, the user manual, read it before using it. Okay, some silicone tips, small and large, as provided, and the medium one is already installed. Okay, and the translucent charging cable provided, type C 1, as you can see here. Nice quality. So here is the box contents. Now let's move to our main product. Now let's remove this supportive sticker, and here is the close look of Nothing Ear One. Some information at the bottom, and here are the ports and buttons, the pairing button and charging port. Here is the magnet, and here is the supportive where you can play as a fidget spinner, or but actually is to support these buds. The material used is glossy but gets scratched easily. The magnets qualities are good, and let's open it. Here is the LED notifications and Ear One written in the center. The magnets are very good. In the bud, the right part is red color, as you can see here, and in the left part, as you can see here, the white dot. Okay, wow, what a click. Now let's check the joints. As you can see, the transparent material used here, but no joints and no leakage of glue is visible, as you can see here. The overall build quality is not that good. The scratch will get after the few days of uses. Okay, now let's check the silicone tip. As you can see, it is soft and skin friendly. Okay, now let's move to the app support. Okay, I have downloaded the Nothing Ear One app from the Play Store. Okay, now let's quickly set up as shown above. I have joined in the improvement program. You can also join and follow my steps and proceed like this. Now let's talk about the features of Nothing Ear One. The 11.6mm drivers, hybrid ANC with wireless charging supported, which is quick charging, Bluetooth 5.0, and battery backup is with ANC 24 hours, without ANC 34 hours, and single bird is 4 hours with ANC, and without ANC is 5.5 hours approximately. Now let's talk about comfort. It is very light, you will never feel hesitate. Now the main and most awaited part, audio quality. The audio quality from the buds are awesome. The beats and vocals are very good, but at the 80% of volume the sound distortion occurs. ANC is okay, not that great. The transparency mode amplifies the artificial sound from the surrounding. Okay, now it's time to pairing and touch control. Instant wake up and pairing supported in the Nothing Ear One. As you can see, it is connected. Now let's go to the app. Now I will demonstrate the control settings. Let's open the app. Here is the media. For example, this is a song. As you can see, the Nothing Ear One is directed. Double tap, it will play and pause, as you can see here. And swiping up, the volume will increase, and swiping down, the volume will low. Single tap to prevent the accidental touches. Okay, as you can see, now the double tap is pausing the music. Okay, now let's go to the Ear One app. Let's see the swapping of the modes, like noise cancellation to transparency or off. Here I am doing manually. Now here are some other touch controls like triple tap for changing the track. Okay, now let's see, for pressing for longer time it will change the mode from noise cancelling to transparency or off. As you can see here, it's switching now it's off. Okay, let's put it and close it. It will automatically disconnect. Yeah. Okay, now let's check the Find My Birds option, where you can find your lost birds nearby area. As you can see, there is an option Find My Bird. Here is a bird, as you can see. Okay, now tap the play button. It is so much loud, you can easily find your birds around you if it is lost nearby. As you can hear it, it is very loud. Okay, now it is stopped. Now let's move to the opinion part. Okay, now it's opinion time. It is priced at 6,000. The better sound quality and the unique design, you can get it. But the overall score is 7.7 out of 10. Not bad. Nothing is something. I like it. Okay, here is the end of this video. You know what to do next. So bye, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care.